Today I am going to present my final project, and this is the way that the board should work. So what the program does is the program is going to get some inputs, and this is a register, this is a register, this is a register, and this is a RCA. So all of this system is designed for a 3-bit input and a 3-bit output. So that's why the registers and everything here is 3 bits. So what is going to happen here is that this register will work only if flag 0 is equal to 1. All the flags come from the same machine that we did in lab 14. So when flag is equal to 1, then it's going to pass values to the register DR, and then when the register DR is equal to 1, then the output of this register is going to be the input of the RCA. The AC is an internal register, so it's set up to be equal to 0, and then all the values, or basically the addition between the AC and the DR, are going to be the inputs for the AC. So the outputs of the AC are going to be the inputs of the RCA, and the outputs of the RCA are going to be the inputs of the AC. So AC is always changing, DR is not changing, it stays the same. So a better representation is AC is going to be equal to the all AC plus the DR values. So this is what we should expect as output. So as DR is never changing, which is the input, the manual input, I'm going to do it on the board. So it's always going to be 1 or 3 in this case. And then what we should expect is values of 0, and then 1, and then 2, and then 3, and then 4, and then 5. And this happens because 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, and then 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, and 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, and so on. It's the same thing when the input is equal to 3. The only difference here is that as I set up the register or the program to be 3 bits, then what you should see on the board is 0, 3, 6, 1, 4, 7, 2, and 5. And this is the internal output in this case. So I'm going to show you my board right now. Right now everything is equal to 0, and then I'm going to clear it, and then this is the opcode. Right here is equal to 1, and then I'm going to start with the values of 1. So right here, there you go. Now 1, which is right here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and